How to change language on Android. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome to another tutorial video. Today's video is about how you can change language on Android. So before we begin, if you're new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Also press the bell icon so you get notified whenever we release a new video. Now let's dive right into it. So if you want to change a language on Android, first thing, go to Settings. Locate the Settings app and then open it up. After you open it up, you will need to head over to System. So normally on every Android settings, System is located at near the bottom. So head over there, tap on System. And after you do that, you'll find the language option. So sometimes it's languages or it's just language and input. So tap on languages. And after you do that, you'll find system languages. So tap on system language. And from here, tap on add a language. After you tap on it, you can then find the language that you want. So select the language that you want and add it. So tap on the language and it will get added here. Now, if you want to change it completely, simply drag this above at the first. Then tap on the change button and then your device's language will get changed. And that's basically how you do it, guys, and that is it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos and bye bye. Take care.